A video that was shared on Twitter appears to show Little Caesars serving frozen DiGiorno pizza. But there is definitely more to the video than meets the eye. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know right now on IO. What is good? This is InformOverload. I'm Charlotte Dobre, and if you need a place to get your news on YouTube, smash the subscribe and notification bell and follow us on Instagram. Before I get into this video, tell me what your favorite pizza joint is in the comments below. Twitter is up in arms after a video surfaced that shows a pile of DiGiorno boxes in the kitchen close to the Little Caesars checkout counter. This obviously doesn't look very good, and it's led many people to believe that Little Caesars is actually selling and serving its customers frozen pizza from the grocery store rather than baking their own pizza. I mean, Little Caesars is not like my favorite pizza joint. I've gotten sick a few times from eating it, so this wouldn't necessarily surprise me, but I'm gonna leave my bias at the door for just 1 second because there's definitely more to this story. Also, have you ever had DiGiorno pizza? It's actually great. I've never gotten sick from it. The video was taken at an Indiana Kmart. It was shared on October 6th by Twitter user Vin and Wesson. It went viral and has racked up 4.51 million views in just a couple of days. Celebrities like Chrissy Teigen started mocking Little Caesars on Twitter, and even DiGiorno tweeted the video and said, "We have no idea what's going on. All we know is we've watched this video no less than 128 times. Cheeky DiGiorno, very cheeky. I also saw a hefty number of memes about this DiGiorno Little Caesars story, so pretty much everybody knows about it now, but most people definitely don't know the whole story. So obviously the big people at Little Caesars saw this video, freaked the F out, and they immediately launched an investigation. This was obviously a PR disaster, so they wanted to provide an explanation as soon as possible. In an interview with People magazine, they said, "Of course Little Caesars only serves freshly baked pizzas made from fresh dough. We think this is probably just a funny coincidence, but are investigating." I mean, they do have a point. Yes, the video shows DiGiorno pizza boxes next to Little Caesars counter, but it doesn't actually show the frozen pizzas going into their oven or being served to customers. I would be more convinced if it was one of those videos that are, like taken in the kitchen by an employee to expose Little Caesars, but it's not. So after some deeper digging, the real reason for the frozen pizzas was discovered. A Little Caesars spokesperson said to People magazine, "On that day, Kmart received a few complaints from customers about having purchased DiGiorno pizzas from that location, and because it was so close to closing time, the Kmart manager directed his employee to temporarily store them in a cooler adjacent to the Little Caesars location for disposal in the morning." So I guess their explanation was people were buying expired frozen pizzas from Kmart and an employee was told to store the expired DiGiorno pizzas next to the Little Caesars location for disposal in the morning. I mean, I guess that's a good explanation, but what the heck were the people at Kmart thinking? First, they're selling expired pizza to people, and second, they're storing the expired pizzas in the Little Caesars. No. A Little Caesars spokeswoman said that she can confirm that no DiGiorno pizzas were baked or served at this Little Caesars location. All of this being said, this didn't do Little Caesars' already tattered reputation any good, and their bad reputation usually has a lot to do with the prep. The ingredients are good. Little Caesars reportedly doesn't use preservatives, but the employees don't get paid very much, so the incentive to make good pizza just isn't there. Thousands of one-star reviews on TripAdvisor and Yelp detail horrible experiences, from soggy crust to mice sightings. Little Caesars has gotten a pretty bad rep over the years. Some people went as far as to say that it was the worst pizza chain of all. And because all these meme and Twitter accounts are not following up on the story and the update, everyone still believes that Little Caesars is serving frozen pizza. Moral of the story is, don't believe everything you see or read on the internet. Except me. Always believe me. Okay guys, do you know what time it is? I said it's comment time! Are you ready? I am so ready. Vivian Millicent said, "Do you speak French, Charlotte? If so, bonjour, je m'appelle Audrey." Bonjour Audrey, I do not speak French. Not all Canadians speak French, fun fact. Theron Bowers said, "I like how she says whatever she wants." Yes, I do that, don't I? Not everything I want, but most of what I want. Nirav Ramdari said, "Charlotte, are you a sociopath?" No way. I feel way too many emotions to be a sociopath. I cry at commercials and shit, it's kind of sad and pathetic. Modal Soul said, "Stop speaking fast." No. Norwegian Furry said, "Roses are red, violets are blue, I am a potato and so are you." That is a beautiful poem. Beautiful. Heidi Yeager said, "Hey, been busy with school, what's up with the potatoes?" You've been busy with school for 2 years? That's how long the potato thing has been around. Or wait, are you asking what's up? Us? Potatoes? Are you asking what's up? Is that what you're saying? I'm confused. Lyrical Box said, "IO is the best channel on YouTube, fight me!" Yeah, okay, let's fight. Wait, I'm on your team, I don't want to fight. I agree with you. I agree with you. Welcome to the end screen. This means the video is over. Don't worry, if you like this video, you will love this playlist. And if you enjoyed your time here, make sure you smash the like, subscribe, and notification bell, and I will see you in a future I/O video.